Hey, you guys, and welcome to Peapod Creations. My name is Sean, and before I get started, I would just like to apologize. I am under the weather right now, but I did want to make a video. I have been seeing the yard cups that has been going around on social media, and I said, I want to try that as well. So that's what I did. I went and I purchased my own yard cup, as you can see. I got it at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Um, I have been seeing people do graduations. So of course I am going to do one with graduation, but I do have a second cup where I'm probably going to do Juneteenth since that is around the corner, and then that's something else to think about that I could go ahead and start to get it going before the trend starts. But the really only thing that you need to do, only thing that you need to have for this, and which is going to be really simple, is of course you need the measurements, but you just need sticker paper and some scissors to cut it and then just put it on because it's pretty much like a cover. You just wrap the sticker around it. I may do the top as well. I haven't decided yet, so we'll just see how this goes when I record this video. But yeah, that's all you need. So I measured mine with my measure, and what I got for the height, I got 10. I got 10 and a half. 10 and a half is what I got for the height. And then for the width, wrap it around. For the height, for the width, it looks like I got 5.5. So 10 and a half going down, 5.5 going for the width, so going around. Um, and then if I did do the cup, the top part of the cup, I would also say that that could be, I'll say that's around 3. So 3 inches. So a circle for 3 inches for the cup, for the top cap, cap of the cup, 10, 10 and a half for the height, and then 5.5 for the width. So I am going to give probably a little bit of inches to it, extra inches, but we're going to see how this go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go to Canva so we can go ahead and get started with this. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So now that we are in Canva, I went to custom size. So you want to go to units, select inches. We're going to do standard size paper, so 8.5 by 11 is what we're going to do. And I forgot to do something really quick here. Let me make sure and get my uploads. Okay. All right. So um, we're going to go to elements and we're just going to get a square. I think this is the square right here. So we're just going to get this square. We're going to go to positions. We're going to go to change it. So 5.5 inches, and then we'll do 10 point. We could do 10.70. If you wanted a little bit more, you can. I just try to give it just a little bit extra room. But this is like the template for the cup. What I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and change the color. Change it to like this blue here because we're going to stick with Raymond. I'm going to grab Raymond and I'm going to go ahead and remove the back. So I want to kind of line him up, but I do want to make him just a little bit smaller, just so that way, if there is any overlapping, it'll be okay. And then I'm going to get my favorite, which is the mascot, and I'm going to remove the background here. And I do remember it was giving me trouble the last time is that I need to make sure that I have everything in here and make it white. And I'll bring the mascot to the front and then I will group it. Okay. All right. So now the eyes and the teeth are still white. And we will put it somewhere here. And then we will just go ahead and start designing. I just wanted to do something simple and quick just so you can see how it's done. So here we go. So let's go ahead. I'm going to just show you the circle, which would be for the cap. So just get a circle. I think I'm just going to do 3. Change the color to that blue. Go to positions. 3, 4, 3, 4. I just want to give it a little bump. So, right? And then we can just grab him. Grab this. Make it small. Put it in there. Let's make it white. All right, so for this, I just wanted to make sure that because there is a part where you have to insert the straw, I didn't want my picture, my image to get cut off, so I just kind of kept it like this, something simple. All right, so we're pretty much done with the design, and so now I'm just going to go ahead and print it with my sticker paper, and we'll see how this looks. All right, you guys. So I have gotten this already printed out and I'm printing out the cap. I'm actually redoing the cap and I did adjust the size. I made it a little bit bigger. I think I did 3.05 for the cap. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut it. So we'll go ahead and cut it. Yeah, I'm not really too good with the cuts, but it's okay. If you hear the printer. Okay. So, yeah, I definitely say that this is a good size. So we're going to go ahead and cut it. Go ahead and cut it. Try to get, you know what? I don't really care. For this video is just to show you how to make it. Of course, it'll be different if it's in order because tell you the truth, I wouldn't use scissors. I would have my silhouette to do it. That way I don't have to worry about it. But for the YouTube videos, I'm just making these to show you. Crud, I kind of cut some. See, I'm not really good with scissors. That's why. But whatever. All right, so we're going to get our tool. Try to peel the backing of the sticker like so. And I do have it all, right? Then we are going to I like to fold it like this so I can kind of match it. We're going to lay it down. Lay it down. See, it actually could go down just a little bit more. Hopefully, it doesn't stick too bad. That's the only thing. Sorry, I am blocking your vision. All right, we're gonna go with this. What you want to do is go from one side, roll it around to the other side. Make sure that there's no air bubbles, which I have one. So let's try to carefully peel this off because I do have it kind of sticking. And also, if your paper is where if you peel it, you know, I know you hear that sound, so I do apologize. It's tearing. The only reason why it's tearing is because that's the side that I cut. But for this video, it'll be okay. Okay. So, try to move the camera up some. As you can see, it's complete. So now, let's go ahead. I'm going to get the cap, which is right here. Let's try to cut it. As you can see, I tried to do it one time before. I didn't like it, so that's why I redid it. Um, Now, any sticker paper will do for this, but it doesn't really matter as far as for the brand. It's up to you and your preference. And I cut some of it off, but it's okay. I am really not a good person to cut with scissors. So I may have messed it up again, but it's okay. And it does. It looks like the same. As you can tell, I cut more than I should have, but it's okay. For this video, it'll be all right. And like I said before, for orders, I use the silhouette. That way I don't have to worry about it. All I have to do is just peel it off. If you would like for me to use the silhouette and show how to do that, you could always comment, and I will be happy to do so. So now I just want to take it, stick it on there. It does have some air bubbles. All you have to do is just get a squeegee, which is somewhere. I do apologize. I just really I wanted to try to see if I could do it. I can. There we go. And then you just want to take something to make your hole. I'll probably just use the razor. Made my hole. Let's see if my straw can fit through it. Haha. And it does. So, take this, snap it on, put your straw in. You have created a yard cup. And the cool thing about this one is, because I didn't show you, is this. It lights up. So you can have your drinks and party. But all right, you guys. So that is all that I have for today. Thank you for watching my video. I did say that I was going to do Juneteenth. I probably will do another one for Juneteenth, so that way you can see it again. Probably do a better design. Like I said, I just don't feel well, but I did want to at least try this and get it out, and also post it on YouTube. But this is the cup. This is the top, which it doesn't look too bad, even though I suck at cutting. But if you have a Dollar Tree, definitely check your nearby Dollar Tree to see if they have these. And if they do, all you just need is scissors and paper, sticker paper. That's really the only things that you need. And of course, Canva, because now Canva has it to where you can just print it off of Canva. You don't really have to use like download it and then turn around and print it that way. So it works out perfect. So I really do thank you for sticking with me all the way through. Sorry once again that I am just not sounding right. But of course, allergies and everything is not going to stop me because I am going to be the best me that I can be. And I hope you be the best you that you can be. So once again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share it out to anyone who is in the craft and they want something like this. Or if you would want for me to design or even do a template, I can post it on my Etsy. I just needed to know if anyone's interested. So once again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.